Hello, this is Bitcoin or BTC USD. We are on today's Tuesday, 16th of September, and this is a trade review of the price action today, or a price action review for the day. So in the daily time frame, you'll notice, let me just remove everything. Daily time frame, today morning I saw that price opened here for the day, and then as price is opening, you're looking at what price has done recently. You can see we had a fair value gap, and then price ran these lows. You can see these relative equal lows here to tap into this fair value gap, and then closed above it. Even though it ran these highs, but price didn't run these highs right here, so that was a very good target for the day, or draw on liquidity. So with that in mind, I have this price, yesterday's candle doing this. I want to look at the lower time frame to see what happened at this time. So you'll realize that this is the daily fair value gap that we've just drawn, and this is yesterday's reaction from this fair value gap. You'll notice we have a dealing range and engulfing out of it, the dealing range, and that is giving us this dealing range right here. Now with this dealing range in place, we want to have a reason why price will want to come into the discount zone of this dealing range and then go up, right? And then we have targets at this point. This is the target. Dropping to the 1 hour time frame, I want to refine my new day open. So new day open was at around, let me go to the 15-minute time frame, at around this point. So this was the new day open for Tuesday, which is today. So 4 hour time frame, we have an engulfing candle out of this daily fair value gap. We have a dealing range, and we want to have a reason why price would want to come back into the dealing range, the discount zone of this dealing range. So in the 1 hour time frame, we want to identify one candle change in state of delivery, and this is the one we have right here, right? So with that in mind, you'll notice price probably touched it and then went up, right? But this was on Monday, which was yesterday, and not today. So this price opens and drops slightly lower and then goes up. So this was still yesterday's price action. Now we want to come to the lower time frame and refine this area. This is 15-minute time frame. You can see you can refine it a bit further and have this 15-minute change, one candle change in state of delivery right there. Then at this point now, we will go lower to the lower time frames and look for areas where price is likely to go to first and then go up. And in our case, we are looking for wickless candles. So we try and get wickless candles, and the first one we have is this. Let me remove this. The first one we have is let me use this array. We have a wickless candle there, and then we have a pair of wickless candles right here. Let me just use the same tool right here, and now these are two wickless candles within the same area. So these are the ones we want to use, and with that in mind, Ours is to just wait until price comes to these two wickless candles, and then we place our buys right there. So the first one and the second one. And now looking at what we have, price comes to this one candle change instead of delivering the 15-minute time frame, and then tags this changing its color. Let me change its color. This is a wickless candle, tags it, and then price shoots, right? So our first targets would be these swing highs right here, and our second targets will be these highs here, because this high right here, price failed to sweep it, so we want to target it, and you can see that is exactly what happens. So placing your buys there at this wickless candle right here, you'll notice price just shoots up and goes straight away to first TP, giving us 9.76 risk to reward ratio, and then up to this point we have now 15.16, and this is pretty much adjustable. You can adjust like this to have stop loss come below this point so that you are a bit safer, and with that you'll have a 10.18R, right? So that is the price action review for Bitcoin using the engulfing candles, dealing ranges, and actually let me just write that down. Higher time frame, engulfing candles, dealing range is price. We want to see 1 hour. No, yes, we want to see 1 candle change in state of delivery. Let me shorten that. 1 candle CISD, and then look for wickless candles around the 1 candle CISD, right? Change in state of delivery, and that is the entire model in 3 sentences or 3 statements. That's the price action review for this Bitcoin. Until next time, bye bye.